In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, have you ever stopped to consider how safe your child's privacy is on social media platforms? In the early months of 2023, Snapchat introduced a new feature, an AI chatbot powered by ChatGPT, a move that stirred up quite a controversy. This chatbot, which mimics human conversation, was intended to enhance user experience. However, it was not long before concerns about its safety, particularly for children, began to surface. As we fast forward to April that same year, these concerns had escalated. The chatbot was found to be collecting user data, posing potential privacy risks. There were fears that children could become addicted to the chatbot, preferring it over human interaction. There were also concerns about the possibility of the chatbot facilitating abusive or bullying behavior. Snapchat acknowledged these potential dangers, urging users to verify information independently. By September, the controversy had reached fever pitch. Facebook, now Meta, was testing its own AI chatbots, aiming to attract younger customers. However, they too faced challenges with privacy concerns and the perception of AI bots as creepy or invasive. Just recently, the UK's data watchdog, the Information Commissioner's Office, accused Snapchat of failing to assess the privacy risks posed by its AI chatbot, particularly for children. The watchdog warned that it could shut down the My AI feature in the UK after a preliminary investigation. Snapchat's parent company Snap said it was reviewing the findings. This chain of events underscores the urgent need for stringent measures to safeguard the privacy of children on social media platforms. To summarize, the key points of this discussion are: in a world where AI is becoming increasingly prevalent, it is crucial that we stay vigilant and proactive in protecting the privacy of our children on social media platforms.